This is the newest Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. It's the best-in-class premium doorbell with all the cutting-edge features, and it requires existing doorbell wiring. Let me show you why it might be the perfect doorbell for your home. First, see more of who stops by with improved 1536p head-to-toe HD Plus video. Check in on package deliveries down low with no blind spots. Next, know when someone's in your front yard with advanced motion settings and get more accurate real-time alerts in the Ring app. Pinpoint motion and distance with 3D motion detection. Get an aerial view to track motion around your home. Map out your detection to only get alerts about specific areas with bird's eye zones. Plus, speak to visitors when you can't get to the door with built-in Alexa greetings, an exclusive feature with a Ring Protect plan subscription. Now let's talk about how this works with existing home wiring. Hardwire Wired Doorbell Pro to your existing doorbell wiring and doorbell chime inside using the concluded toolkit for around-the-clock power and peace of mind. And with a Ring Protect plan, subscription sold separately, record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos. This is the best way to get all of your smart home questions answered. Get expert help. Schedule a callback or chat online at supportrn.com. Pair with select Alexa-enabled devices to enable announcements and two-way talk for convenient in-home monitoring. With a Ring Protect plan, subscriptions sold separately. Alexa can also make voice announcements and automatically show a live video feed on an Echo Show. Fire TV or Fire Tablet when your Ring doorbell detects a person or package. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind of 24/7 professional monitoring with optional add-on service. Monitoring plans start at just $10 a month. Finally, installation is a breeze. Follow the in-app instructions and you'll be up and running in no time. That was a quick look at the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to learn more or to buy.